Reversing heart age. How high-intensity barbell snatches can renew your heart health. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn back the clock on your heart's age? Recent research suggests that high-intensity exercise protocols, like performing barbell snatches with light loads and high repetitions, can do just that. By engaging in these dynamic movements, you could potentially rejuvenate your heart, making it function as if it were 20 years younger. The aging heart. Understanding left ventricular compliance. As we age, our bodies undergo numerous changes, and the heart is no exception. One critical aspect affected by aging is the left ventricular compliance and distensibility, the ability of the left ventricle to expand and fill with blood during each heartbeat. In healthy but sedentary individuals, aging often leads to decreased compliance and increased stiffness of the heart muscle. This means the heart doesn't fill as efficiently, reducing cardiac output and increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The power of high-intensity exercise. Engaging in high-intensity exercises can counteract these age-related changes. Activities that elevate your heart rate and challenge your cardiovascular system stimulate adaptations that improve heart function. High-intensity interval training has been shown to enhance left ventricular compliance, effectively reversing some aspects of cardiac aging. Why barbell snatches? The barbell snatch is an explosive, full-body movement that combines strength, speed, and coordination. When performed with lighter weights and higher repetitions, it becomes an excellent cardiovascular exercise. Here's how high-rep barbell snatches benefit your heart. Elevated heart rate. The dynamic nature of the snatch keeps your heart rate elevated, providing a robust cardiovascular workout. Enhanced blood flow. This exercise promotes increased blood flow, which improves vascular health and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Improved cardiac efficiency. Regular high-intensity training enhances your heart's ability to pump blood efficiently, increasing stroke volume and cardiac output. Increased oxygen utilization. Your body's ability to utilize oxygen improves, boosting endurance and overall fitness levels. Scientific evidence supporting the benefit. Studies have demonstrated the positive effects of high-intensity exercise on heart health. Improved left ventricular compliance. Research indicates that individuals engaging in high-intensity workouts experience increased elasticity in the heart muscle, enhancing its ability to fill with blood. Reduced cardiovascular risk factors. High-intensity training helps lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve cholesterol profiles. Enhanced VO2 max. This type of exercise boosts your maximal oxygen uptake, a key indicator of cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Implementing high-rep barbell snatches into your routine. To harness these benefits, consider adding high-rep barbell snatches to your workout regimen. Here's how to get started. Begin with proper technique. Ensure you have a solid understanding of the snatch movement. If you're new to this exercise, seek guidance from a qualified trainer. Use light to moderate weights. Start with a weight that allows you to perform the movement correctly for multiple repetitions without compromising form. Focus on repetitions. Aim for sets of 12 or 15 reps, focusing on explosive power and controlled movements. Incorporate into HIIT sessions. Combine snatches with other exercises in a circuit to keep your heart rate elevated. Consistency is key. Perform these workouts 3 to 4 times per week to see significant improvements in heart health. Additional benefits of high-intensity training. Beyond improving heart function, high-intensity barbell snatches offer numerous other health benefits. Increased muscle mass and strength builds lean muscle, enhancing metabolism and physical performance. Improved insulin sensitivity. Helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced mental health. Releases endorphins, improving mood and reducing stress. Better mobility and coordination. Promotes joint health and neuromuscular coordination. A holistic approach to anti-aging. While exercise is a powerful tool, combining it with other healthy lifestyle choices maximizes benefits. Balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutritious foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats and lean proteins. Adequate rest. Ensure you get enough sleep to support recovery and overall health. Stress management. Practice mindfulness, meditation or yoga to reduce stress levels. Regular health checkups. Monitor your cardiovascular health with regular medical evaluations. Conclusion. Aging is an inevitable part of life, but how we age is, to a significant extent, within our control. By incorporating high-intensity exercises like barbell snatches into your fitness routine, you can improve your heart's function, enhance your physical performance, and potentially reduce your heart's biological age by up to 20 years. Embrace the challenge, prioritize your heart health, and experience the transformative power of high-intensity training. Your heart and future self will thank you. Disclaimer: always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or concerns.